Okay.
Hi everybody, and welcome to our first ever video on YouTube. This is our channel, Sewing with Mom. I'm Nicole. I'm not the mom. Mom is over here. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
You can't see her. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
So Joann's was having like a crazy sale a couple of weeks ago, and all of the Butterick and Simplicity patterns were on sale for $1.99. So we like bought a ton, but this is the one that we're gonna do today. I'm gonna cut out top A, which is this one here, and I'm gonna use it in navy blue for this part, and I'm gonna see what kind of scrap fabric I have for that one. And the name of this pattern is B for Butterick 6418. This is the plus size pattern because I'm a big girl. And yeah, so we got to cut out the pieces and we're going to see how we do on this. I'm not really great at sewing yet. This is something that I picked up in quarantine. I call this my quarantine craft. Mom is teaching me how to sew. And I learned how to read a pattern, and now I'm seeing what pieces we need. So we're making top A, and let's see, we need a yoke front, a back, a sleeve. Well, that's not too hard. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. Should be pretty easy. So we're going to cut this out, and then we will see how we do. Okay, so we had to finagle a tripod here, which is really my bill holder. But I'm cutting out the pattern, and it's our first video, so bear with us. If we get some likes and comments, maybe we'll buy a phone stand or a tripod or something, and we'll see how that goes. So right now I'm just cutting out the pieces. This is pattern B6418. We're doing top A, which is a short sleeve top with a little bit of contrast fabric on it. And yeah, Mom is back there sewing away. And we'll probably trim that up a little bit better. I will say that cutting out the pattern itself is not my favorite part of doing this, because I'm not good at cutting yet, but I'm getting better. And I bought a left-handed scissors, and that helps, because I am left-handed. So, I'm gonna cut out the last little part of this. And you guys can't even see what I'm cutting, but that's okay. Use your imaginations. And there we go. That is the first piece. You can see it's number 1 for pattern A. And then, let's see here. This is the front for D, so we don't need this piece. So I can fold this up. Probably not the best folding in the whole world, but whatever. So it's important to keep all of your pattern pieces together. I learned that the hard way, losing pieces. So when you're done with a page in a pattern, just put it back in your envelope. And something else that I learned is you can also buy the plain vanilla envelopes, the big ones, like the legal size ones, and you can put your pattern in there. So let's get the other page and finish seeing what we need to cut out. Oh, there's a lot of pages here. Okay. This might have looked a little bit easier than it actually is. Okay, so that's D. This is the back. And that is for top C we don't need, so we just need this number 3 piece. So, I'm gonna lay it out and try and get all the creases out of it. And get it as flat as possible. And then this pattern retails for 20 bucks, and I got it for $1.99, which is pretty cool. Pretty excited about that. Okay, this is the back of the shirt, which needs to be cut on a fold when you're going to cut your material. We're gonna keep cutting up all of this. And this will be our second of 4. If you guys do like this video, feel free to hit the subscribe button. We would appreciate it. And we're gonna be doing a pattern haul video next. It's gonna be our next video that we do to show you all of the patterns that we bought because we hit up that Joann sale twice. And we have over 100 and I'm gonna say over 110 patterns, I think, right, Mom?
Yeah.
So, if you would like to see the entire Butterick and Simplicity line that we bought, subscribe, and you can see our next video. Okay. I'm gonna cut this strip down here. So I bought a rotary cutter and a mat, but I'm not very comfortable using it yet. And that might be a little bit easier to do these patterns or quicker. But I'm still practicing with it. I'm trying to figure out, like, you have to push down really hard. Nobody tells you that in the videos when you use that. Thought you just, you know, glided it across and it was great, but that's not how it works. Okay. So, now here is our back piece, which is going to be folded over. And this might actually be a little bit big on me. So, we'll see how this goes. Look how big this is, Mom.
Let me see. Yeah, it looks big. Yeah, I'm seeing. Okay, yeah.
So.
We will make it. We can always take it in.
Mm-hmm.
Better to be pleased than small.
So this is D. That is C, but we're making A. So this is, again, extra pieces that we'll cut out another day when we want to make this. But today is not that day. So I'm going to finish cutting out these pieces and we will be back when they're all cut out, and I'll show you what they look like. Okay, so we're back. I cut out all the pattern pieces. This is 2 and 3. Me and Mom laid it out. This is 60-inch wide fabric. It's a little over 2 yards. It's like 2 yards and 5/8, right, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
And those are my very expensive pattern weights, as you can see. Nobody make fun. And yeah, so both of these needed to be cut out on the fold. So to save some fabric, we folded the fabric in half and kind of joined it there in the middle, as you can see. And yeah, so now we're gonna cut out the front and the back. And then after that, we gotta cut the sleeve and then the little contrast part in the front. So we'll be back when these are all cut. Okay, we're back. So I cut out all of the pattern pieces. So there's my contrast piece. There's 2 sleeves under there. That is the front part, and then the longer one is the back part. And now I'm going to take a break and eat some food, and then come back and start sewing. So we'll see how it goes. All right, so that was our video. We cut it out. I'll make another video of sewing it, but this is our first one. So like and subscribe. Our channel name is Sewing with Mom. And yeah, thanks for watching.